Today I'll show with you two basic multiple usage albums. First is MD 20124 Square Multiple Usage Album. The second is MD 20131 Rectangle Multiple Usage Album. I do not make a finished album yet, just want to introduce this demo to you. The biggest feature of this die is you could make many size album by one set die. The other feature is the smaller one could make the inner page of the bigger one. These two sets could use together to make many layouts. Now, let's see the square one MD20124. It could make 8 size albums. Now I'll show you all the size. You could make the width as you like. It depends on you. You could use these 3 set dies to use with it. They are MD20125, MD20126, MD20127. These are all basic frame. There is a difference of 1/4 inch between them. Many sides, easy to match with each other, and they could match with each other too. You could make what you want easily. Now let's see the rectangle one. It is MD20131. It could help you make 6 size album, 3 vertical layout, 3 horizontal layout. I'll show you every size. The width of album is also decided by you. What to match with it are also 3 set dies. They are MD20132, 20133, 20134. Also, a 1/4 inch difference between every frames. That's all. Hope you will like them.